I'm on my way to a photo shoot, so it should be super, super fun, and it's a really beautiful location, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, so this is my first time ever in my whole entire life doing an easy pass, and I'm like super nervous because I've never done it, and I'm afraid that I'm like doing it wrong, so it's like the moment of truth, and I'm pretty scared. We're approaching it now. There's a little bit of traffic. Alright, let's see if I can do this. I'm so afraid something's gonna go wrong, and then like I'm gonna be stuck, and then everyone's gonna hate me forever. Okay, so let's see if this works. I'm like so nervous. Like I feel like an adult child. Like I'm so nervous over like the most idiotic stuff in the world. Okay, let's see. That car is actually stuck. There's a car on the other side that's like stuck. Did it go? Oh, come on, please. It worked! I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's the first time I've ever done it. I'm so excited that it worked. Oh my god, yay! I'm so happy. Okay, time to play music.
Yo, gym rapper that's sounding extra, extra, extra lame. Put you in your place, call that real estate.
It's time to unpin all these curls. It's gonna take a really long time. So I finally have my hair down, and now we're in outfit number 2, and we're just waiting for the sun to go down. Hopefully it goes down soon. We got an amazing photographer. I'm about to just hang out with some friends in downtown, and that should be super fun, except we are experiencing a tropical storm, so the wind is pretty, it's supposed to be bad. It's not bad yet. It's barely even windy, but it's supposed to be bad later, and it's supposed to rain. So it's pretty gross looking out. See, it's pretty gray. But the weather here, as you've seen, has always been pretty bad, so nothing new. So it's morning, and I am eating my favorite breakfast, which is eggs, bacon, and home fries, and I'm sitting by the water, just eating. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. You know what's really great about an electric car? When you're completely on empty, but you can just keep riding the electric battery instead of using gas. I'm taking a video.
Like in Bangkok. Loving the cold, smoking rose, see your fingers shake, and getting through your heartbreak. Some kind of free, sing for me, don't know what I need. I can't when you say it like that. Got me falling right back. Speaking like a real freak. I can't back me, babe, you make me love the pain.
So I haven't been home in 3 days, and let's see how excited my dogs are to see me. Hold on. Hi! Hi! Hi, I miss Did you miss me?